Oh, Will. Oh, my God. I almost forgot. Oh, my God. How did I almost forget? That was my last
How
story.
dare you.
Holy cow. I almost forgot. Okay. Hopefully you did not go anywhere as I pushed my microphone away because the most important part of the show is what's happening right now. And it's insane that I almost forgot because of how important it is. I know I told you at the beginning of the show, I gave you a little precursor. It has been so long. It is the most requested segment, which only seems to happen every so often, but you are lucky enough to be here at this moment, in this minute of time in the universe, that you have set yourself up to experience. You've set yourself up to experience the most entertaining, the most interesting, the most provocative segment on the entire internet. It only comes from one man, and it only comes when that one man feels the need to lay it upon you. That man is Willie Doo, and the segment is called the Wild Card Round. And today it ain't a single barrel shotgun, it's a double barrel shotgun. He claims to be able to knock your socks off. And he will proceed without me because I cannot get in the way when he fires that blast. He will proceed without me.
Well, you can still sit here.
As he tackles
You don't have to go.
the Willie Doo Wild Card Round.
Well, this one comes from TikTok here. And apparently the voices can be changed. And this auto-gen voice is apparently going to change because the person who did it is actually filing a lawsuit against TikTok. So, I don't know, being like a TikTok user, the auto-gen voice is pretty popular, but here's the new TikTok voice, which I think is a little bit friendlier, but let's just check it out.
But it's worthy. Luckily, Grammarly can help. What happened to text-to-speech? She sounds like the Grammarly lady. Why so excited? This sentence is grammatically correct, but it's worthy. Luckily, Grammarly can help.
So it's somewhat the same. It's a bit autonomous, but a little bit more cheerful. But maybe this will be coming up in your TikTok feed soon. So there you go. You got something to say?
Wait a second.
Yeah.
What are we talking about here?
The auto-gen voice.
Got-
So
They got sued by the original AutoGen voice. They didn't have clearance to use that.
no, apparently they didn't. So
That seems like a kind of for a company that scale to just
yeah, and
Oops.
every other TikTok pretty much uses this auto-gen voice. And this,
wow.
Oh, the actor.
Yes. She's been doing it just for
This is a doozy.
She never agreed to work with the company. They just started using her voice. That's out of control.
mm-hmm.
What does she get paid for that? What is that settlement?
Nice.
My voice is on all these super famous TikToks, and I never agreed to it.
Mm-hmm. So she's mad. And
That is a
hopefully-
massive settlement.
I got 100 mil.
The lawsuit concerns the English language voice used in North America. Videos made prior to the change still feature the old tone. Yeah, do they delete? Does TikTok have to go in and delete all these users' videos that were using that woman's voice?
Or maybe some sort of algorithm that just changes it to the new voice.
Well,
But,
apparently, according to this article, that isn't the case. It hasn't been changed
Yeah.
on the old content.
Yeah, so look out for it.
Yeah, that new voice is terrifying, by the way.
It's
yeah.
It's very up
Oh,
and down,
yes.
artificial.
Yeah. You can't, I mean, it only has one tone to it. Can I adjust the tone?
No.
Really?
No, it's
What
a
if that
feature
doesn't
where you
suit the
just-
mood of my thing, though?
Still.
Play it again.
They might add more voices.
Play it
though.
again real quick.
Grammatically correct, but it's worthy.
It's worthy.
Luckily, Grammarly can help.
It gets
What
a little
happened to text to
glitchy.
speech? Sounds like the Grammarly lady. Why so excited? This sentence is grammatically
There's
correct.
a bit of a
but
yell
it's
there
worthy.
too.
Why would they
Luckily,
not
Gramp-
have multiple voice options depending on the mood of the thing?
Well, after this, they probably will.
Okay.
Like male, female.
I think you got to add a few different options there. That's
Yeah.
my feeling on the thing, but I'm not a TikTok user, so whatever. Listen to Willie Do. He knows better.